again. I just wanted to really quickly talk to you about my website Words workshop. It's kicking off in May, probably the second week of May, but I'm being really flexible about dates and times and things just so I can work with the people that are signing up for the course. So it's a course which will run over a few days. It will go every other day. We'll do a Zoom call for 45 minutes, and then we'll do 45 minutes virtual co-working, where you can kind of implement what we've talked about in the call and kind of get working while I'm there to answer questions. So this course is for anyone who needs to refresh their web copy, either refresh or even start from scratch, and want to do it themselves. Either kind of the costs are prohibitive with working with a copywriter, or you actually just want the kind of satisfaction of doing it yourself and actually to learn copywriting skills that are transferable into every other aspect of your business. So if you're wanting to refresh your web copy, you just don't know where to start, you want to kind of do it yourself, but you want help along the way, someone to show you exactly what to write where on each page, then this is the course for you. So I've shared a link in the email. You can find out loads more information. The first step is just to book a call, 20 minutes with me, just so we can work out if it's right for you, and you can ask any questions just so that we know that what you're going to get from the course is actually what you need. So that would be the first step. I would love to have you on the course with me. There's only 8 spots available, and I've got a few people about to jump on. So if you are interested, it's important to kind of get that call booked in so that I can make sure that I kind of know that you're thinking about it. So I'd love to have you. Please click the link and have a look and get back to me with any questions you have. Thank you. Bye bye.